Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to prepare Old Delhi street food KALMI VADA chaat. This is soaked moong dal and chana dal. I've taken half. Now to this add some ginger and green chili and grind it to a paste. Make it dardara. To this add salt as per taste, some coarsely grinded pepper powder and coarsely grinded coriander and fennel seeds. Squeeze some lemon, mix well. If you want to add red chilies, you can also add. I haven't added here. Add hing water also. Mix everything well and take a portion of the mixture. Now make small patties like this and fry in the oil till golden brown and crisp on a low medium flame. The fried vada is ready now. Now cut into long stripes like this. Fry them again in oil till golden brown and crisp on a low medium flame for 1 or 2 minutes. The fried KALMI vada is ready now. Now to prepare the chaat, dip the KALMI vada in the dahi and arrange it in a plate like this. Now top it with some boiled aloo and peas. I have used peas here. You can use boiled chana or kabuli chana. Now sprinkle some red chili powder, jeera powder and chaat masala over it like this. Also sprinkle some salt and now top it with some curd. And finally top it with some green chutney and sweet chutney. The KALMI vada chaat is ready. So prepare this Old Delhi street food and enjoy. Thanks for watching.